Wind crawl gentle through the valley grass, whisper stories as moments pass. Bird song scatter across the field, nature offer its calmest shield. Me step slow through the open land, feel the earth beneath me hand. Everything living move as one, guided steady by moon and sun. My spirit open, my spirit free, learning from the scenery. Hills rise soft against the sky, promise strength when trouble high. River a peaceful tone, teach me lessons carved in stone. Me breathing deep, release the weight, find new patience, trust the fate. Valley of harmony, keep me strong, help me walk where I belong. Sing the melody pure and sweet, lift me heart with every beat. Valley of harmony, calm my mind, give me balance every time. Flowers sway in a gentle flow, sharing life, them always know. Me watch beauty take its place, feel soft joy across me face. Nothing rush, nothing force, everything stay on natural course. Shepherd stroll with peaceful stride, guiding life along the side. Every moment simple, clean, teach me love for what unseen. Me take strength from the quiet land, move forward with steady plan. Slow the pace, breathe the air, harmony, live everywhere. Walk with trust in every step, hold the calm that nature kept. Valley of harmony, keep me strong, help me walk where I belong. Sing the melody pure and sweet, lift me heart with every beat. Harmony valley, deep and wide, carry me through every stride. When the noise of life feel loud, come back to the valley proud. Hold the peace within your chest, let nature bring the needed rest.
Na 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 na. Peace for the world. Oh. Me hear the cry from deep within, Jah call the people to begin. No silence now, no fear, truth and freedom draw near. Hey. Me walk the street with me head high, Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try to hush, them try to hide, Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth, all them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes, Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame, Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high, lift your voice to the sky. Chanter sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me say the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Rasta man is higher man. Oh. Through the valley soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note of prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon the stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call. Voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound. Voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new. Voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along. Voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land. Voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone. Voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true. Voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small. Voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free. Voice of love, eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high. Voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, bold and new. Voice of Zion carry through. Blue, blue, strong and wide. Voice of wind, remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody. Voice of love, eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true. Carry a message for me and you. Never fading, never fall. Voice of mercy, guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free. Voice of truth, eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new. Voice of Zion shining true.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke with Zion, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me try the road them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader. The chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths them wise and pro, chant redemption load. Me know your time soon come, the battle soon done. The battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, your creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper your melody. Me see the river shining wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jahan. No chain can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight, hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free, power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day, lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul pan higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
I ganja and coconut your man. Me waking at the dawn so clean. Jah bless me scene. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a joyful tune. Zion me home. Me rise from the humble clay. Give thanks for another day. The mountain whisper peace. Me soul release. Me see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer. Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light. Every shadow fade away, Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff, me trod me path, free from wrath. Each breath me take, me know Jah river flow. Yeah, Zion morning shine. Bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes. Jah light divine, forever mine, forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze, soul at ease. The lion rough it truth again, break the chain. No money, no crown, no fame can match Jah name. Me plant hope deep inside, me never hide. Me hear the children play below, love overflow. Me give them roots to know how to grow. Zion teach the simple way. Live and pray. Me chant till my voice gone, still carry on. Zion mountain tall, Jah rule over all. Me heart belong there true, forever new. Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. wash clean. Truth unseen, Zion morning rise. Open up my eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. So when the night come again, me feel no pain. Zion morning wait for me eternally. Alright.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Whoa. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stands so tall. Jah love overall. Me trod the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still aglow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down upon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top, me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree, said Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From trial come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah hand true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Na na, na 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 na, na na, na 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 na. Whoa. Mountain of Zion.
Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dey on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Beside me drum, me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Sunshine creep through the hilltop air. Light reveal the moment's fear. Me stretch me arms, me mind feel bright. Ready for walk in the morning light. Me climb the path with quiet grace. Feel the sunrise warm my face. Every stone beneath me tread guide me steps where dreams are led. Me look around and clearly see strength growing naturally. Wind brush soft through tall green pine. Show me life move by design. Me hear echoes from the past. Teach me patience, teach me fast. Mountain spirit hold me near. Ease the doubt, remove the fear. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heartbeat strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Rise among the hills and stand. Hold the future in your hand. Birds fly free along the ridge. Cross the valley, cross the bridge. Me take guidance from the flight. Find new power, find new sight. Every minute bring new hope. Help me learn for better cope. Villagers greet with open smile. Share their strength for one more mile. Me hold the blessing them provide. Let it flow along the ride. Unity rise in every face. Lift the spirit of the place. Stand firm, breathe deep. Climb the hills your spirit keep. Every journey start within. Let your courage always win. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heartbeat strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Hilltop blessings lift you high. Spread your wings and touch the sky. When the day feel weak and long, remember hills make you strong. Rise again no matter how. Let the mountains guide you now.
Na 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 na. Stand beneath me naked feet, earth beats, root where deep red shoot remain. No shade, me feel the ancestors close, spirit flows, it build me life on solid ground, no shaky sound. Every trial make me wise, open eyes, me learn patience from the tree, standing free, stamp boom but hoots hold tight, day and night, me see the world chase empty shine, but me find true wealth live inside, soul make me whole, roots teach me how to wait, not date, time reveal the righteous way, every day, roots and strong. Hold me strong all life long. Roots and stone guide me home, never roam. Me hear the earth speak soft and slow. Truth Every leaf got story deep, secrets keep me walk barefoot pon the land. Understand, roots connect me to the past, everlast. Me teach the youth respect the soil, not just toil. From small seed come mighty tree. Wait and see, no rush, no greed, no fight, live right. Roots and stone protect me soul, make me whole. When worlds shake and systems fall, roots stand tall. No stern can shake what's real. Truth revealed. Roots and stone hold me strong all life long. Roots and stone guide me home, never wrong. So me walk slow, heart open wide. Roots inside, stone and soil, flesh and bone, ever alone.
Na kaya ang sweat kaya mo. Me hear the drum. Me hear the drum beat on the wind. Ancient rhythm deep within. Echoes of ancestors call. Rise up one and all. Me spirit light, me feet strong. Jah melody keep treading long. Them system built on lion chain. Still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand. Spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant Jah name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heart beat pound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just Jah word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon, chain break plain when roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. Me travel far for teach you to hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer me see the sun shine bright. My spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Me chant from mountain top. Me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom sage, yeah. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. So me chant till morning come. Righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live for stay. Let away. Let away. Lion reggae, yeah man. Lion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel upon earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Roots man prayer, strong and pure. Jah Jah love forever sure. Roots man prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree. Pray the people live in peace. Every chant me send above. Wrap the world in Jah Jah love. Roots man voice, humble tone. Still can shake the wicked throne. When the sun gets high, me still meditate on Jah will. Every breath a holy word. Every sound the heavens heard. From the mountains to the street, roots man prayer never cease. Day and night me call Jah name. Righteous flame remain the same. Me pray for the mother, pray for the child. Pray them heart remain undefiled. Pray for the soldier, drop the gun. Pray the healing soon begun. Me pray for the elder, strong and wise. Guide the youth with open eyes. Roots man prayer like river flow. Carry love wherever it go. Prayer rise, blessing fall. Jah hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in Jah righteous trust. Roots man chant, we set we free. Open eyes, we truth we see. Evening come, me still give thanks. For the food and for the ranks. Every blessing, big or small. Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, roots man prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again. Me call Jah holy name. Roots man prayer inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise na 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 na. God bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on a rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jaja name. Fire, blaze it high.
Rasta light never dies.
Sacred fire,
Still my mind, inner peace is what I find.
sacred fire, show the way.
One love, one heart every day.
She sit beside I, eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel. That real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near.
Zion, ya man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chains still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chant in pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come true. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul not swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. Me DNA link tree to see. No barcode label panja man. Me not scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, no need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Ay, 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 dreadlock cool, ay. That was a cosmically you say, man. No noise when me win me race. Still pace, victory silent, heavy and real. How it feel? Me nah announce me moves them loud. No crowd, progress quite like seed in soil. Vision tile, while them back me dealing alien. True rain. Me train discipline, shadow space. Private place, no applause when me heart learn fight. Late night, victory case sweeter when unseen. Clean, silent coal, yeah, burn alone. Solid stone, solid stone. Silent coal, yeah, calm and true. Pull through. Me now flex trophy fi impress I. Why? Results speak when me step arrive. Verify. Me let work talk loud and clear. Severe. Pain and patience walk me road. Heavy Lord. Me never quit when don't get load. On board. On board. When spotlight finally turn me way.
Same humble spirit, same calm tone, fully grown, quiet grind, build lots success, no stress. Silent chord, strong and deep, roots keep, silent victory, no regret. Set. Me win without shout or sound, solid ground.
God bless the people, yeah man. Oh, run. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, bold and true, star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide, star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame, star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way, star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before, star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view, star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy, star of justice set we free. Ooh. Elder point to heaven's eye, star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above, star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind, star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright, star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lay the weapon down, star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease, star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away, star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see, star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teacher speak with wisdom clear, star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right, star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain, star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign, star of justice still divine. Morning come, the light still strong, star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them hand, star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall, star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free, star of justice victory. Eternal beacon shining bright, star of justice rule the night. Never fading, never gone, star of Zion still live on. Glorious flame forever pure, star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free, star of justice shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear, star of justice draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame, star of truth exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright, guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall, star of mercy shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free, star of justice victory. Sacred fire, pure and true, star of Zion light for you.
test, tight may roll, stone stay home, rooted tone. Me no flex, prove me might. Me hold me ground day and night. Pressure come in many form, heat and storm. Words fly fast like broken glass. Me let them pass. Me learn silence stronger than shout. Strength inside, not out. Me see many crack on the load, lose them code. Me build core before display, quiet way. Me no rush response or reply, me verify. Patience give me solid frame, endure flame. Steady like stone, firm and calm, no harm. Steady like stone, hold me place in our grace. Me not chase approval song, me self-harm. Time test everything them show. Me know what real stand after wave retreat. Solid feet stand can be pan surface skin, scratch and spin. Whoa, but core remain untouched, never crash. Stillness heavier than force, natural core, steady like stone, deep and wide inside. Steady like stone, still remain sun or rain. When those sacred truth reveal, stand still real.
Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Earth feel calm in the early mist. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Jah melodies start to flow. The hillside cover the morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even river start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. He teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth you see. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. town, a sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall, colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word unspoken. Creativity a healing feel. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch this skyline glow. City heartbeat calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Oh. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded strong, but light in mind and peace will follow every time. Calm outside, but me core ignite hidden lights. Silent grind in the early dawn before yawn. Me wake before the sun arise. Clear eyes. No applause when me lace me shoes. No excuse. Discipline burn like steady flame. Not for fame. Every habit shape me fade slow. Brick by brick me grow. Me not depend on motivation wave. That's slave. Me build routine strong like chain. True rain. When mood low me still execute. That's the root. Fire in me chest, but me calm face. Steady pace. Fire in the discipline, still burn bright. Day and night. Fire in the discipline, no delay. On way. Me train mind like warrior art, strong art. Comfort whisper, soft and sweet, but me compete. Me choose long-term gain over quick thrill. Iron will. Every sacrifice had one more layer. Prayer. Every shock would build backbone firm. Lesson learned. Great result finally shine clear. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Morning breeze touch me skin soft and warm. Ocean whisper say, hold calm. Me take a deep breath, feel life align. Sunrise paint the horizon fine. Me walk on the sun with a quiet mind. Every footprint leave all stress behind. Bird circle I with a peaceful grace. Me find strength in this sacred place. Waves carry stories from far and near, telling me truth, me always hear. The breeze carry rhythm through the bay, show me the lessons of yesterday. People hustle, people crawl, but still the spirit never fall. Me reconnect with the inner spark, guided even when times feel dark. Golden shoreline, heal me soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing a new design. Lead me forward, sweet divine. Golden shoreline, hold me close tonight. Show the world in softer light. Me feel renewed in the ocean's tune. Balance return with the rising moon. Me see me future with steady eyes. No more shadow, no disguise. Energy rising, strong inside. Carry me through every tide. Fisherman chant with ancient tone. Talk about days when seeds were sown. Me honor the wisdom them bring round. Me hear truth in every sound. Respect for the land, respect for life. Ease the sorrow, ease the strife. Hold calm, breathe slow. Let the shoreline guide your flow. Every step a healing beat. Feel the freedom in your feet. Golden shoreline, heal me soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing a new design. Lead me forward, sweet divine. Golden shoreline, open up the way. Bless me night and bless me day. When the world get heavy and rough, return to the sea, it's love enough. Golden shoreline, forever near. Carry me spirit, year by year.